Welcome to Musiclicious Compliance. Today's songs are on. I got a package that no one else was supposed to see, and I accidentally tipped over a bulldozer with a crane. Please like, subscribe, and proliferate that like button.
Note to her full of charm and desire. Didn't check where I sent it. Oh, the horror and shame. Now I'm the laughing stock, and they'll never forget my name. Accidental Romeo, that's who I am. Send my sweet nothings to my fam. Now grandma's laughing, Uncle Mike's too. Family dinners, what am I gonna do? My mom was concerned, are you feeling alright? And my dad just texted, this is not polite. Now every family call comes with a joke. The cringy romance dude who totally choked. Accidental Romeo in a family chat. They all heard my whispers, I can't come back from that. Tried to delete it, but they heard it all. Guess I'm the family's cringe call. Now Jessica's teasing me, says I'm her star, while I hide my face and wish I was far. 'Cause next holiday, oh, it's bound to show that I'm forever the accidental Romeo. Accidental Romeo, that's who I am. Send my sweet nothings to my fam. Now grandma's laughing, Uncle Mike's too. Family dinners, what am I gonna do? I got a package on the way. Order myself a little something to keep me entertained. Supposed to be discreet in a box so small. Didn't think my mom would open it at all. But I walked in the door, saw it there in plain sight. My mom and stepdad staring like a deer in the headlights. That shiny pink purchase sitting right on the table. I knew right then the story would be a fable. Open with caution, that's all I gotta say. When you're buying something that you don't want displayed. I thought I'd be safe, but fate had a plan. Now I'm the displayed. I thought I'd be safe, but fate had a plan. Now I'm the girl with the pink device in her hand. So here's my advice to all you out there. If you're buying something personal, handle with care. Remember my story and take it to heart, or you'll end up like me with an embarrassing start. Sitting in the office, pushing paper all day, typing up report, trying not to go insane. Got a coffee buzz, deadlines in sight, but I wrote a little rant to make it through the night. Loaded with sarcasm, calling Karen out. Took a shot at the meetings that drained my cloud. Meant to hit delete, but I hit send instead. Now my official report is blowing up the thread. It's a disaster, my office life's on fire. Try to keep it cool, now I'm in the line of fire. They're all reading my rant, got my sarcasm blast. Now I'm the joke of the office, try to live it down fast. Boss called me in with a laugh on his face, said he liked my report, said I had a way with space. Karen's got a smirk, she's staring me down. Now the whole team knows I'm the talk of the town. Intern's high-fiving, says I kept it real, but I'm dying inside. This wasn't part of the deal. Took my weekend to hide, but when Monday came around, Captain Sarcasm was the name going around. It's a disaster, my office life's on fire. Try to keep it cool, now I'm in the line of fire. They're all reading my rant, got my sarcasm blast. Now I'm the joke of the office, try to live it down fast. When work turns dull, you gotta get it out. But next time, I'll stick to my own account. Emails can betray you, don't forget to check, or you'll be that girl who everyone suspects. It's a disaster, my office life's on fire. Try to keep it cool, now I'm in the line of fire. They're all reading my rant, got my sarcasm blast. Now I'm the joke of the office, try to live it down fast. Yeah, I'll live it down, take it in stride. In the office hall of fame, with my sarcasm pride.
I climbed into the crane, feeling like a king. Metal beams to move, thought I'd do my thing, but one wrong swing and I felt the fear. The beam crashed down, the bulldozer near. My heart was racing, couldn't believe my eyes. That big old dozer starting to rise. Tip to the side, in front of the crew, and down it went, my worst nightmare come true. Dozer down, yeah, I messed up bad. Watch that beast fall, wasn't part of the plan. Dozer down, the whole crew watched it crash. Now I'm the guy who left that beast in the trash. Foreman shouting, man, what you do? But he's laughing hard, and I'm feeling blue. Couldn't believe it, couldn't take it back. Now I'm just the guy who tipped that stack. They called in a crane to set it right, and my nickname was born that very night. They slapped my back, called me Dozer Down. Now my pride's been leveled to the ground. Dozer Down, yeah, I messed up bad. Watch that beast fall, wasn't part of the plan. Dozer Down, the whole crew watched it crash. Now I'm the guy who left that beast in the trash. Yeah, some men build and some men break, but this was one hell of a rookie mistake. Guess you learn when you live at large. When you're playing with steel, better stay in charge. Dozer Down, yeah, I messed up bad. Watch that beast fall, wasn't part of the plan. Dozer Down, the whole crew watched it crash. Now I'm the guy who left that beast in the trash. So here's to the guys who've messed up like me, the Dozer Down kings of heavy industry. I'll wear the name, I'll take the fall, but next time I'll be ready for the call.
That was Musiclicious Compliance. I hope you enjoyed today's songs. Do not forget to proliferate that button, sing along, and build our community.